Hello friends. If you are getting emails from Microsoft Teams saying, "This expired file has been deleted," then don't worry. In this video I'll explain why this happens and how to fix it permanently. Sign in to Teams Admin Center. Go to Meetings. Meetings Policies. Open Global, Org-wide Default. Go to Recording and Transcription. Find recordings and transcriptions automatically expire. Either turn it off, recordings won't automatically expire, or leave it on and set the default expiration time, for example, 365 days or another value. Also can off expiration. Save setting. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and support for more updates.